Hey everyone, it's Monique from Raw Blend. Today I'm going to be making a really delicious ice cream for the festive season. So this is my pumpkin spiced sorbet. This is something that came into my head yesterday, so I'm going to give it a go. Come along with me. Pumpkin is filled with so many wonderful nutrients. It's great for your skin, your heart health, your immune system, even your digestive system. So today we're going to be using the Vitamix A3500i. This is Vitamix's top of the line model, and I've got the 1.4 litre wet container. So this is perfect for our ice creams and smaller quantities. I'm going to take my lid off here. Using coconut cream here. I'm just wanting to almost cover those blades. So I'm using butternut pumpkin today. So I've steamed that and frozen it overnight. So for our ice creams, we want that 1 part liquid to 3 parts frozen. Next, I've got 2 teaspoons of cinnamon for that lovely festive spice. And I've got some sweetener, so I've got a tablespoon of maple syrup. So I'm gonna lock my lid into place. Vitamix's safety feature, it won't turn on until that's locked into place. So we can see that's ready to go. So on this model, we've got pre-programmed functions. I'm gonna use the ice cream function today. The Vitamix has registered that we've got our 1.4 litre container and set the timer to 35 seconds. So I'm gonna get my tamper ready. Away we go. That smells amazing. That smells like a nice pumpkin latte. That is beautiful. Look at that. That is thick and frozen in there. It's turned out absolutely perfectly. I'm gonna give that a try. Oh, those flavors, that is so well balanced. That is absolutely delicious. I hope you try this recipe. I hope you love it as much as I did. Happy blending.